We have all dealt with brain-dead customer service chatbots that go around in circles, making you pick from a list of issues where you never even find yours. After a point, you're going to lose your nuts and bolts and might want to bolt from the scene. Exasperated, you say, connect me to an agent because you want to explain it to a human. Enter innovation. I have tried this one and let me tell you, it's amazing. I am talking about OpenAI's latest offering, ChatGPT, that will make you second guess if you're speaking to a chatbot or a human. And we are not even talking basic customer support anymore. Throw anything at it and it swings it like a pro. What makes ChatGPT impressive is that besides answering general queries, it can explain codes and scientific concepts, write basic academic essays, cover letters, and even scripts for romcoms. Galactica, CICERO, and now ChatGPT. A lot has happened in the world of AI recently. ChatGPT interacts with humans using natural language based on GPT 3.5 architecture. With the release of ChatGPT, these bots are now ready for the next stage of evolution. And after all that build-up, now let me tell you how to access this super cool AI chatbot. Log on to chat.openai.com and create an account for a preview of ChatGPT. When you log in, it provides you with some information on the model, its limitations and capabilities. And there, you can start shooting questions right away. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions. It always seems to know the context. It also admits its mistakes, unlike us, and would challenge you over an incorrect premise. But take it with a pinch of salt if it rejects an inappropriate request. That it will. Sounds like a sibling? Well, ChatGPT is a sibling model to Instruct GPT, which is trained to follow an instruction in a prompt and provide a detailed response. The question is, will ChatGPT spell the doom for Google search? Well, if ChatGPT is allowed to connect to the internet, it possibly could be what kills Google search in one swift move. So, a simple search on Google throws thousands of links at you. ChatGPT gives you the answer upfront, saving you the time and energy spent on browsing, reading, and sifting through copious amounts of sites and blogs. When it comes to programmers, ChatGPT can definitely make Google search obsolete because it can not only explain codes but also write complex codes. While the general consensus for Galactica was that it was hallucinatory and produced results that were highly inaccurate, for ChatGPT the general consensus was, you guessed it, that it was a Google killer. Oh, by the way, I made ChatGPT write a really cool poem on AI. You can find it in the description box below. Ab jao, go give ChatGPT a shot and let us know if you had your mind blown. Cheers. अरे, ये तो पानी है.